everyone. Myself Mahalakshmi Kundargi from Standard 10th B. Today I am here before you to present a seminar on pair of linear equation in two variables. So let's get started. Pair of linear equation in two variables. So what does the word pair means? The word pair means two. Pair of two linear equations. Now what is linear equation? Linear equation which can be put in form ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, where a, b and c are real numbers and a and b is not equals to 0. A is not equals to 0 and b is not equals to 0 is called linear equation in two variables. Now the general form for a pair of linear equation in two variables x and y is a1x plus b1y plus c is equals to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c is equals to 0. Now let's solve an example based on this general form. Now 9x plus 3y plus 12 is equals to 0. 18x plus 12 6y plus 24 is equals to 0. Now a1 upon a2. a1 upon a2 means 9 upon 18, 3 upon 6, 12 upon 24. 9 ones are 9 twos are. 3 ones are 3 twos are 6. 12 ones are and 12 twos are 24. Now you can see 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2. Means a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 is equals to c1 upon c2. The lines are coincident lines. Now let us go through some important concept of this chapter. As you can see a table over here, there are three columns. Compare the ratios, graphical representation, algebraic interpretation. Here in compare the ratio, a1 upon a2 is equals to b is not equals to b1 upon b2. In graphical representation, it is a intersecting lines, and in algebraic interpretation, it has exactly one solution, means unique. Now a1, if a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 is equals to c1 upon c2. It is in graphical it is coincident lines, and in algebraic interpretation it has many solutions, infinitely many solutions. Yeah, and if a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 is not equals to c1 upon c2, then in graphical representation it is parallel lines, and in algebraic interpretation it has no solutions. Hope you have understood the table. Now we'll go to algebraic method of solving pair of linear equation in two variables. The first is elimination method. Now let us take an example for elimination method. Now I said the elimination method. Here find the value x and y by elimination method. 3x plus 4y plus is equals to 10 and 2x minus 2y is equals to 2. Now let us solve. 3x plus 4y is equals to 10. This is first equation. And 2x minus 2y is equals to 2. This becomes our second equation. Now you can take either x value or y value. You can multiply by x value also, or you can take y value. Here I am taking x value. First equation into 2, second equation into 3. Now you should multiply by this. 2 3s are 6x plus 2 4s are 8y is equals to 2 10s are 20. Now 3 2s are is 6x minus 3 2s are is 6y is equals to 3 2s are is 6. Now change the sign. If it is plus, you should minus, minus, plus, plus, minus. Now minus plus get cancelled, plus 6 and minus 6 get cancelled. Now plus plus add and give greater numbers and give plus sign. So 8 plus 6 is 14y is equals to, here is plus, plus minus subtract and give greater number sign. So 20 minus 6 is 14 and greater number sign is plus. Now let us solve for y. Therefore y is equals to 14 by 14. 14 ones are 14 ones are. Now we got y value as 1. Now this y value you can put in any equation, either first equation or second equation. So here I am taking second equation. 2x minus 2y is equals to 2. Now 2x minus 2, y value we got as 1. So we put as 1, 2. So 2x minus 2 ones is 2 is equals to 2. 2x is equals to 2. Shift the sign. After shifting the sign will change, plus 2. So 2x is equals to 4. X is equals to 4 by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are. X is equals to 2. So by elimination method, we get x value has 2 and y value has 1. Hope you have understood the elimination method. So next we'll proceed to solve graphically. So as I said, we'll solve graphically. Find the solution of pair of linear equation by graphical method. So here is the question: x plus y is equals to 7 and 3x minus y is equals to 1. So let us solve. Therefore, y is equals to 7. We'll shift the sign, it becomes minus x. This becomes the first equation. And here minus y is equals to 1 minus 3x. As we shift, it becomes minus 3x. So the variable should not be the negative, so we'll shift the sign. Y is equals to minus 1 plus 3x. This becomes second. So now x, y. We can take any value. X we wishes 0 and here I am taking 0 and 2. Now y is equals to 7 minus x. Y is equals to 7. X we took as 0. Now y is equals to 7 minus 0 is 7. So y value is 7. Now next y is equals to 7 minus x. Y is equals to 7 minus x. Next value we took as 2. Now y is equals to 7 minus 2 is 5. So we got first equations, x and y value. Now next second, x value we take as 4 and 2. Your wish, you can take any of the numbers. Next second equation, y is equals to minus 1 plus 3x. Y is equals to minus 1 plus 3 and the x value is 4. So 4. Y is equals to minus 1 plus 3 4s are 12. So minus plus subtract and give greater number sign. 12 minus 1 is 11 and the greater number sign is plus. So 11. Next, y is equals to minus 1 plus 3x. Y is equals to minus 1 plus 3 and the next x value we took as 2. Y is equals to minus 1 plus 3 2s is 6. Y is equals to minus plus subtract and give greater number sign. 6 minus 1 is 5 and the greater number sign is plus, that is 6. So now this is a graph. I kept it ready and here as we got the value of y, now we'll show in graph. Now first is 0 and 7. X is 0 and y is 7. Here x is 0 and y is 7. So we'll mark over here 0 comma 7. And now next is x value is 2 and y is 5. So 2 and 5. Now let us join. Okay. Now second equation. Here x value is 4 and y is 11. So here x is 4 and y is 11. It comes over here. And next is x value is 2 and y value is 5. X value is 2 and y is same. It comes over here. Let us join. So this is a point of intersection. Now this is of second equation. Y is equals to minus 1 plus 3x and this is of first. Y is equals to 7 minus x. Now from the point of intersection, take a dotted line. It comes on 2. So the x value is, it becomes 2. And from here you take till 5. So now x is equals to 2. Y is equals to 5. So by solving graphically, we got the x is 2 and y is 5. This is intersecting lines. Hope you have understood the lesson. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.